Hi, I am Irina. I want to take a moment and talk to you about colorectal cancer. Every year, more than 150,000 people are diagnosed with colorectal cancer. However, if found early, it's 90% curable. But we only catch colorectal cancer early if we get screened. Fortunately, there's an easy way to test for colorectal cancer using a simple FIT kit. You can do the test in about 5 minutes in the privacy of your own home, and you don't need to do anything to prepare for it. If you are between 45 and 75 years old and don't have a family history of colorectal cancer or a personal history of colon polyps, please use the FIT kit today. This is what the FIT kit looks like when you receive it in the mail. It arrives in an outer envelope, and inside are instructions, sampling tube, stool collection paper, plastic bag with absorbent material, and a return mailer envelope. Using the kit is easy. First, open the kit. Then, take a moment to read through the instructions. Next, when you are ready to have a bowel movement, unfold the collection tissue paper and put it on top of the water inside the toilet bowl. Don't worry, it's biodegradable. When you flush the toilet, it won't cause any problems with your plumbing. Position yourself so that the stool falls on top of the collection tissue paper when you have your bowel movement. The last step is to open the sample bottle by twisting and lifting the cap. The cap has a stick attached. Use the stick to poke the stool 6 times in different spots so that the tip is covered about 1/2 an inch, but not more. Then gently insert the stick back into the bottle. The cap clicks when it is locked into place. Make sure it is securely sealed and do not open it. Flush. Next, wash your hands and prepare the sample for mailing. The tube should have your first and last name, date of birth, and your medical record number. Write the date you collected the stool sample on the tube. Wrap the sample tube in the absorbent material. Then put the sample tube and the absorbent material inside the plastic bag. Then seal the plastic bag and place it into the return envelope. Seal the envelope. Write the date it was collected on the back of the envelope and put it in the mail or drop the FIT kit off at the clinic. To get an accurate result, it is very important to mail or drop off your FIT kit within 48 hours of sample collection. For the small portion of those who have an abnormal test result, you will need a colonoscopy to complete the screening process. Screening for colorectal cancer can save your life. Please complete this test in the next 1 or 2 weeks. It's fast, safe, and simple. Do it for yourself. Do it for your loved ones. Be here for the things in life that matter most to you.